Welcome to Excel World Academy. We're proud to be an academy of the world, one that nurtures creativity, fosters curiosity, and empowers every student to thrive in a rapidly changing world. Our vibrant international community is united by a shared purpose to prepare young people not just for exams, but for life. At the heart of what we do is the International Baccalaureate Framework, a globally recognized approach to education that values inquiry, critical thinking, and holistic development. From our youngest learners to our graduating grade 12s, every student benefits from a personalized journey and access to our world-class, future-ready facilities. This campus has been thoughtfully built, not just as a place to learn, but as a space where children are empowered to thrive academically, socially, and emotionally. Of course, it all starts in the early years, the foundation of everything we do. Well, let me hand it over to Maria, our early years and primary years principal, to share a little bit more.
Thank you, Tammy. At XWA, the early and primary years are where children begin discovering who they are as learners and as people. Through the IB Primary Years program, our students are encouraged to ask questions, explore big ideas, and make meaningful connections across subjects. We're especially excited about our brand new, recently opened purpose-built early and primary years building. This new facility features creative studios, collaborative learning spaces, and outdoor environments designed to spark imagination and joy. Beyond academics, our youngest learners are immersed in music, art, languages, and physical activity. Whether it's within the classroom or outdoors, every child is encouraged to express themselves and build confidence. And just as importantly, we care deeply about well-being. Our supportive educators and dedicated pastoral team create a nurturing environment where each child feels safe, valued, and ready to grow. The students continue their dynamic learning journey as they move into their secondary years. Let me pass you over to Mark, our secondary years principal, to tell you more.
Thank you, Maria. In the secondary years at Excel World Academy, from grades 6 to 12, students deepen their understanding of the world and discover their unique voice. Through the IB middle years and diploma programs, we offer a rigorous yet holistic education that promotes academic excellence, global awareness, and independent thinking. Our students learn in flexible, future-ready spaces from science labs, digital media suites, and design studios. They are encouraged to collaborate, create, and lead with confidence. We also believe that learning doesn't stop at our classroom door. Our wide range of extracurricular activities, including sports, performing arts, robotics, service learning, and more, help students grow as balanced, compassionate individuals. And of course, student support is a top priority, from counselling to mentorship to personalised careers and university guidance. We make sure every learner feels equipped, empowered, and connected. Let's head back to Tammy.
Thank you, Mark and Maria. We hope this tour has given you a glimpse into our learning community that we've created here at Excel World Academy, a place where children are inspired to explore, to grow, and to lead with purpose. Whether you're new to Singapore or looking for a school that truly prepares your child for the future, we invite you to come experience XWA for yourselves. We can't wait to welcome you and your family in person. See you soon.
My experience at Excel World Academy has been very fulfilling and wonderful because of all the teachers and the international experience that we've been able to get, because we've been able to interact with multiple different cultures.
I had a lot of fun while I'm learning. and also enjoying class.
My biggest learning experience is growing as a person through my friends and through the people that I've met, the experiences that I've had.
It was very challenging, yet extremely rewarding.
My advice for anyone who wants to join Excel World Academy is just go for it.
Be open to new experiences and make the most of their time here.
This is my advice to you. Just make connections, form friendships.
Once you come in, you'll experience the things that we all experience, the community, the people that help you, and it's okay to make mistakes because people here are helpful and they guide you as you go on. I wish you all the best if you're joining Excel World Academy, and you will have a good time here.
It's the best choice that you could have ever made in your life.
At Excel World Academy, we believe learning should be an adventure. Our outdoor program keeps kids active, building strength, coordination, and a love for staying healthy. It's about giving our students the freedom to explore, learn, and grow in the best classroom of all, nature.
Hi, my name is Edwin. I'm a Freeman Asian scholar studying at Wesleyan University pursuing a perspective triple major in mathematics, economics, and physics. Growing up, I was always a pretty confident test taker, but having so many different foci on all different subjects throughout the IB really kind of challenged myself and stretched my limits of what I thought I could achieve. Excel World Academy's abundance of facilities as well as wonderful faculty supported me along every step of the way and gave me a very clear direction as to what I wanted to achieve and what I could push myself to do. I have great gratitude towards the university counseling team as well as school administration because going into university selections, I actually didn't really have a clear path as to what I wanted to pursue. Having university guidance counselors show me specific programs as well as majors that I could look into that would potentially interest me helped me a lot. My experience with Excel World Academy definitely helped me with university in terms of my soft skills and my time management as a person. Navigating the 2 years journey within the IB was a great journey in self-discipline as well as development. Knowing how to manage your time and build a pathway for yourself in order to reach your goals in high school definitely built the transition into uni, and I think that was probably one of my greatest successes of university in itself.
I'm Ismail Kalave, and I'm a filmmaker. My passion of filmmaking started when I just started YouTube, and it was the only way I could really express myself because I couldn't speak English. I started Media Club at Excel World Academy, and after I took over as a leader, I saw that there's more that we can do to bring the whole community together. I made a film about a Japanese boy going into a hawker center and creating a bond through local food. Mother's recipe was also part of the university application process. But when I chose to go to NYU, Excel World Academy counselors, they really guided through university application process. I think the main point that I gained as a person, not just filmmaker, was to be proactive and to be willing to learn